The African continent is the next frontier in international trade and manufacturing, and Ghana, with its political stability, youthful population, and geographical location, presents the perfect springboard for any organisation seeking to gain a foothold or increase its presence on the continent. We are very pleased to welcome Atlantic Life Sciences, Wahoo Mobility, Springs and Boats, Kantanka Automobile and Solar Taxi.
What it is that we are ready to roll out the red carpets for investors, for vehicle manufacturers, and all the various major stakeholders in that space. The government of the Republic of Ghana is ready for business.